These tots are absolutely delicious, and they taste like tacos. So put some extra crispy potato tots out on a foil-lined baking sheet, shiny side down so you don't have to wash the pan. Preheat the oven to 425. In the bowl, I have some smoked sweet paprika, some chili powder. I just added Best Friends, garlic powder, and onion, granulated onion. Then I got 2 more Best Buddies, go everywhere together, a little coriander and cumin, and if you like it extra spicy, a little shake of some cayenne pepper. Whisk that all together. Sprinkle this liberally down over your extra crispy tots and throw them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Sometimes I give them a little shake, kind of midway, and they taste just like tacos. Yum. The tots, as I said, will take probably about 25 minutes at 425. That goes in the oven. Kind of glad you came back from break, because I was eating tots as fast as possible during the break, and that made me stop. So thank you for having my back with not overeating my tots. But these tots are absolutely delicious, and they taste like tacos. And I put it out instead of with ketchup with good old taco sauce, because they're taco tots. Always make extra bacon. If you're like me, you're going to steal some bacon and eat a few strips before you build the hamburgers, so you might want to make a couple extra for that. The bacon will go less time, 17 or 18 minutes. Down here, we're getting a cast iron skillet hot for burgers. Screaming hot, medium-high heat. Ground sirloin in the bowl. I've got a few tablespoons of grated onion. Grate the onion directly over the bowl so all the juice falls into the burger itself. Season it liberally with kosher salt, which makes a nice crust on the meat. Coarse black pepper. And I like to add a little garlic to this as well. I always use Worcestershire sauce when I'm cooking with ground beef and ground turkey. Fat splash of Worcestershire. And then, of course, they're called Chipotle burgers. We have to put in Chipotle and adobo. Chipotle and adobo, of course, comes in the small cans. They are dried chili peppers in vinegar and spices. I puree the entire can because it's way more than you're gonna need. Put it in a small plastic food storage bag, label it and date it, keep it in the freezer. Next time you need it, just break off a piece, and then you won't throw all the extra in the garbage because you're never gonna use that whole can in one little set of burgers. So a couple of tablespoons of pureed chipotle and adobo. And then when you form your patties, remember to make the patties thinner at the center and thicker at the edges for even cooking, and because burgers plump when you cook them. If you don't take the time to make them a little thinner at the center, they'll plump, the center will be underdone, the edges will be overdone, and the burger will look like a flying saucer rather than a delicious hamburger. When you are forming the patties, score the meat with the side of our hand and divide it into however many portions we're trying to get. That way, when you pull the meat from the bowl, you know you're dealing with the same amount of meat. All right, so we have our smoky chipotle burgers. Once we flip the burgers, we're gonna top them with some pepper jack cheese. Or smoked cheddar would be good too. Or a slice of each if you wanna go really crazy. That's a mighty tasty looking burger. Now, every burger needs a special sauce. So we're gonna make one. Little sour cream, instead of relish, chopped pickled jalapeno peppers. Oh yes, Little salt and pepper, of course. And ketchup. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro. I'm gonna double sauce our burger, a little on the bottom with the patty itself and a little on top. Then we put our patty with 2 slices of our Monterey pepper jack down. Then we're gonna put 3 slices of crispy bacon. So there's bacon in every bite. Bacon's best buddy, lettuce and tomato. Hello, BLT. So then we BLT it. And I like onion, and I'm the boss of this burger, so I'm gonna be BLT and O. And then I'm gonna slather the top with more of our special sauce. And there you go.